Debt removal. Welcome to another episode. This is your host, Jack McKeag, talking about debt removal today. What does that mean? Debt removal, see, all debt is collected illegally by every bank, every lender in not just the United States, but in every country. And it always has been. So they don't have the proof, right, that any debt is due. If you follow our system, since it wasn't due, it gets removed. It's not like a whole bunch of other words people use, like discharge or, you know, consolidation or any of that. No, it's removed as if it never existed because what? It never existed. Okay, so we guarantee debt removal, all right, with a debt savings system. But look at when you look up on Google. First of all, I'm the only one guaranteeing debt removal, and I've been doing it for a decade. Um, no refunds yet because everyone removes their debt. So, um, but when you look it up on Google, right, Elgog and Magog, right, Elgog, Google. Um, anyway, when you look it up on debt removal on Google, of course you won't find Liberty Aid or my work ever out there. It's just a bunch of debt consolidation, all this junk out there. But on the sidebar here, we find debt removal. Pay for delete. If you can't remove the debt by disputing it, you can negotiate with a collector. Negotiate to have the account removed from your credit report in exchange for payment. See? Send send the collector a letter stating your interest in paying the account. Well, you see, the point is in that they can remove it. You see, it says right there, you can remove it and you can pay them. We don't have to pay them in dollars, but you can pay them in paper. Send them the right letters, give them the right lawsuits, follow, all our enforcement methods, all the stuff you got to do to get that thing removed, right? You get it removed, okay? Because they can remove it. And this isn't, they're just talking about, collector. This is any debt, right? This isn't, this is the collector. That means anything of any type on any credit report can be removed by the company that put it on there. So you have to incentivize them to remove it. Not with paying them money. Why would you pay thieves money? What you do is you expose the thieves properly, and then they remove it. Okay? That's what we do here. We do everything legal. We follow the law. In fact, we simply force them to follow the law. That's what we do. We ask for the proof. They never have it, of course, because they're liars, and every debt is collected illegally. Then you take the proper enforcement steps to have it removed as if it never existed, because guess what? It never existed. Okay. You can do this. Get in touch with us. Contact at jackmckeg.com or contact at libertyaid.org.